In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change contact to customer in Xero. Here's the idea in simple terms. In Xero, a person or company is just a contact until you create and send them a sales invoice. Once you do that, Xero classifies them as a customer and they'll appear in your customers list. I'll walk you through that flow end to end. Start by signing into Xero and opening your organization's homepage. If you're practicing or don't want to email real people, it's a good idea to use the demo company so you can follow along safely without affecting live data. From the top navigation, open Contacts. Then choose All Contacts to see the full directory. If the person or business you want to convert is already listed, great. Take a moment to scan for the correct name so you don't invoice the wrong contact. If you don't see them yet, create the contact first so they're available to invoice. Keep the details clean and accurate, especially the email address, so your invoice can be delivered without issues. Next, create an invoice for that contact. Use the plus icon to start a new invoice and select the contact you just reviewed. This is the key action that turns a contact into a customer. Fill in the invoice details carefully. Add an invoice date and due date, then enter your line items with clear descriptions, quantities, unit prices, and the correct account and tax rate. If you use tracking categories or a specific branding theme, choose them now. Add a reference or notes if it helps the recipient understand the charges. Before sending, double-check totals, currency, and the recipient email. Accuracy here prevents rework and gives your customer a polished experience. When everything looks right, send the invoice. Xero will deliver it to the contact's email and record it in your sales. This step is what signals to Xero that this contact is now an active customer based on a sales transaction. To confirm, head back to Contacts and open the customer's view. Refresh the page if needed. You should now see that contact listed as a customer, reflecting the invoice you just sent. That's it. By raising and sending a sales invoice, you've converted a general contact into a customer in Xero. If you ever don't see the update immediately, refresh your browser or check that the invoice was sent successfully. And remember, practicing in the demo company is a safe way to get comfortable with the process before you do it in your live organization.